Welcome back to our YouTube series on community management. In this episode, we're diving into the essential topic of how to create and manage posts in your community. If you're just joining us, we highly recommend checking out our previous videos where we cover the aspects of creating your community and managing topics. Now let's focus on posts, the backbone of community interaction. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of crafting engaging posts, fostering discussions, and effectively managing content flow within your community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest community management insights. Create a new post on your community page, click on New Post button. Provide a title in the title field and add your content in your description box. Here you have the formatting tools to enhance your message. To include images, click Add Images and select files that are within the recommended size for optimal display. Next, assign your post to a topic by choosing from the available topics from drop-down menu. This helps categorize your post and makes it easier for members to find. And here you will see the publishing options. Currently, we have the following options. You can publish now, you can schedule, you can save as draft, or discard the post. Choose Publish to share your post immediately, or select Schedule to set a future date and time for your post to go live. And if you're not ready to publish, you can save as a draft or discard if you no longer wish to keep the post. If scheduling, pick a date from the calendar and confirm by clicking OK. After scheduling or publishing, your post will be added to the My Interactions tab, and here you can see the status of your post. From the post management area, you have the option to delete or edit the existing posts. If you need to change the date of scheduled post, click the edit icon associated with the post, then navigate to the scheduled date field to input the new date. Save your changes to update the post's schedule. After publishing, your post will appear in the community feed and in the topic that you have selected while creating your post. It will show the post title, profile picture, the topic, and the posted time. For more, click See More. Members can interact with your post by liking, commenting, or sharing. To add a comment, click on the comment icon, and a window will appear where you can leave your comment. Click Comment, and your comment will appear here. Members can reply to your comment by clicking Reply. You can like the comment of the user. If you had mistakes in your comment, you can click on three dots, edit comment, and update it again. Or you can delete your comment from here. From the top, you can copy the link of the post.